Welcome to the channel English Vinglish. A short note on epic. Epic is a long narrative poem recounting the heroic characters and actions of legends or a nation's history. Epic can be oral and written. Homer's Iliad and Odyssey are outstanding examples of oral epic. The famous written epics are Virgil's Aeneid in Latin, Song of Roland in medieval French, Dante's Divine Comedy in Italian, Mahabharata in Sanskrit, Beowulf in Old English and John Milton's Paradise Lost in English. The setting of an epic is usually national, worldwide, or cosmic, and the time and place belongs to a heroic or golden past that seems greater than the present. Epic is composed in an objective and lofty style, and the epic hero is larger than life and has superhuman strength, character, or intellect like Achilles in the Iliad. Supernatural forces, such as gods, demons, and angels influence and participate in the action. For example, all the characters except Adam and Eve are supernatural beings in the Paradise Lost. The form of an epic is highly traditional and conventional. An epic typically opens with a statement of the theme and invocation or appeal to the muses for inspiration. The story begins in the middle of the things. Epic provides catalogues or long lists of warriors, armies, armor, or such, for example, catalogue of ships in the Iliad and the list of fallen angels in the Paradise Lost. The epic hero gives long formal speeches, such as the Satan's speech to the fallen angels in the Paradise Lost, and he often goes for a journey to the underworld like Dante's journey through the three realms of the dead in the Divine Comedy. The other traditional conventions of an epic are the use of repetitive stock epithets and extensively elaborated similes, which is called epic similes. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe the channel English Vinglish.